Hello everyone, this is your computer class and today we are going to start our first lesson, which is computer network. In this class we will discuss about computer network, means what is computer network, how to create a computer network, means creating a computer network, advantages and disadvantages of computer network. Rest of the topics of this lesson will be covered in the next video. Okay, so let's start. Before understanding what is computer network, we have to understand what is the meaning of a network. A network is a set of devices. A network is a set of devices which are connected to each other. A network is a set of devices which are connected to each other. डिवाइसेस का सेट जो एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होके नेटवर्क बनता है उसे हम नॉर्मली नेटवर्क कहते हैं. सो अ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, व्हाट इज द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क? ओके, according to your book, the definition says a computer network is a system in which computers and peripheral devices are connected to each other for the purpose of sharing resources and information. Okay, means in this definition there are two terms are used. First one is peripheral and second one is resources. Peripheral means input and output devices and resources means प्रिंटर, स्कैनर एक्सेट्रा. सो जब प्रिंटर, स्कैनर या दूसरे से कंप्यूटर एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होकर एक नेटवर्क का क्रिएशन करते हैं, देन दिस नेटवर्क इज कॉल्ड अ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. वी कैन ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड दिस डेफिनेशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डायग्राम. इन दिस डायग्राम there is some computers, computers 1, computer 2 and there is a tablet. It can be a mobile also. Okay, these all devices are connected with a CPU and this CPU is connected with the modem and that is used for run the internet. So this is a basic diagram of computer network. Okay, now our next topic is advantages and disadvantages of computer network. So our topic is creating a computer network. How to create a computer network? So to create a computer network, we have some things like we have the two or more computers, the cables which are used to connect the computer. Okay, so to create a computer network, we need two or more computers and a cable which is used to connect the computer network. Okay. So now next one is advantages and disadvantages of computer network. So let's start. Okay, so advantages of computer network. There are lots of advantages of computer network. Let's start to understand them one by one. The first one is data transmission. Okay, the second one is sharing of data, file and information. The third one is resource sharing. The fourth one is security. There are a lot of advantages of computer network, but we are going to focus on these four main advantages. Okay, so the first advantage is data transmission. With the help of computer network, we can transfer our data with very more speed. Okay, the second one is sharing of data, files and information. In this, with the help of computer network, we can share our data, our files to another user. With another user, we can share our data and files and information. Okay. Data, files and information means just like our document, video and audio. These all things are called data. Okay, we can share our data with the help of computer network. Okay, now third one is resource sharing. resource sharing. In resource sharing, resources like printer, है ना, printer or scanner, etc. So if we have two or more users, means we have imagine we have 5 users who are using computer, but only one printer is there. So we can share that one printer to all the 5 users, among all the 5 users, so that they can equally use that printer. So with this feature, it will reduce our cost to purchase a new printer for everyone. Okay. Fourth one is security. Okay. Computer network also provides security to us, you know. It provides password protection and many more security features which will be helpful to send and receive information or data. So there are some disadvantages also of computer network. Let's start understanding them one by one. Disadvantages of computer network. First one is okay. Okay, let's understand. First one is virus. Virus may enter to your computers through network or internet. Virus may be enter to your computer. Second one is hackers may hack your system. Okay, hackers means the person whose intention is not good, and they may be hack your or hide your or steal your information. Okay. Third one is hacking. Making of large network is very complicated. If we make a large network of computer networks, then it will be very complicated for us to manage them. So these are some disadvantages of computer network. In next class, we will discuss the next topics, which are network hardware, types of network, categories of computer networks, okay, network architecture, protocols, and last one is network topologies. These all topics will cover in the upcoming classes. Okay, thank you everyone.